Now we're going to cover how to change a pending appointment into recorded appointment. You've of course already logged in to the app.inyourhometherapy site through your computer, tablet, or phone, and you're here on the home page. So you've already scheduled an appointment, the appointment has been completed, and now you wish to change it from pending to recorded. You're going to go to your My Services tab, which is where all your service records are stored. You find the pending appointment, and the appointment has been completed, so you wish to change it from pending to recorded. You're going to click on the blue pending button, and everything has taken place. The appointment is concluded. You're going to save changes, and that will change it from a pending appointment to a recorded appointment. This is very important that immediately after you complete an appointment with a patient, you log into your website, the app site, you click on the Services tab, and you change that pending to recorded appointment. That'll notify us that you have completed the appointment, and we know to invoice and bill for it. And of course, anytime you've recorded or completed a pending appointment, you're going to click that Done Today button. Now, presumably the treatment went well and they rescheduled, so you've just clicked pending and changed it to recorded. Now you want to enter your future appointment. You just click on the New Record button. That'll bring you back to the Add Service Record page, and we'll use myself as an example. Here I am, and we'll say that it went so well we rescheduled for the following week at the exact same time. Payment preference was credit card. The category was massage therapy. The duration was 60-minute massage. Save changes. It brings you back to your services record with your future appointment. And now, of course, after that future appointment takes place, you log back into the site, you click the Service tab, you click that blue button, and you save it, and you change it from pending to recorded. We invoice for it, and you're done. And of course, anytime you've completed your activity for the day, you click that Done Today button just once. It'll notify us that you have completed some activity on the site, and we will enter it into the schedule.